Welcome to this lesson on temperature and its relationship with kinetic energy. Temperature is one of the most fundamental concepts in thermodynamics, and understanding what it truly represents at the molecular level will give you deep insight into how matter behaves. In this video, we'll explore how temperature is directly connected to the motion of tiny particles that make up all substances around us. So what exactly is temperature? Temperature is a measure of the average kinetic energy of particles in a substance. Every substance, whether solid, liquid, or gas, is made up of countless tiny particles that are constantly in motion. These particles have energy due to their movement, which we call kinetic energy. Temperature tells us how much energy, on average, these particles possess. The higher the temperature, the more kinetic energy the particles have. Let's quickly review kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is the energy of motion possessed by moving particles. Any object that moves has kinetic energy. The formula for kinetic energy is Ke equals 1/2 mv squared, where m is the mass of the particle and v is its velocity. From this equation, we can see that kinetic energy depends on both the mass and the speed of the particle. The faster a particle moves, the more kinetic energy it has. Now let's see how temperature affects molecular motion. When a substance has a high temperature, its particles move faster. Think of boiling water where molecules are moving rapidly and colliding with each other frequently. On the other hand, when a substance has a low temperature, its particles move slower. Imagine ice, where water molecules are moving much more slowly and are more tightly held together. This relationship between temperature and particle speed is fundamental to understanding thermal behavior. The key principle here is that temperature is directly proportional to average kinetic energy. This means if you double the temperature, you double the average kinetic energy of the particles. We can express this mathematically as T is proportional to Ke average. This proportional relationship is crucial because it means temperature is not just some abstract number, but a direct indicator of how much energy the particles in a substance possess. For ideal gases, we have a precise mathematical relationship. The average kinetic energy equals 3/2 times Boltzmann constant times temperature. This equation connects the microscopic world of individual particles to the macroscopic property we call temperature. The Boltzmann constant, represented by K sub b, is a fundamental constant in physics that bridges the gap between the atomic scale and our everyday measurements. This formula shows that if we know the temperature, we can calculate exactly how much kinetic energy, on average, each particle has. Let's summarize the key points. First, temperature measures average kinetic energy, not the kinetic energy of individual particles. In any substance, different particles move at different speeds, but temperature tells us the average. Second, higher temperature equals faster molecular motion. Heat up a substance and its particles speed up. Third, if two substances are at the same temperature, their particles have the same average kinetic energy, even if the substances themselves are different. This is a remarkable fact that unifies our understanding of thermal behavior across all materials. Finally, let's talk about absolute zero. Absolute zero is the theoretical point where molecular motion stops completely. At this temperature, particles would have zero kinetic energy and no thermal motion. Absolute zero is 0 Kelvin, which equals -273.15 degrees Celsius. This is the coldest possible temperature in the universe. Nothing can be colder than absolute zero because you cannot have less than zero kinetic energy. While we can never quite reach absolute zero in practice, this concept helps us understand that temperature is fundamentally about particle motion and energy.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.